going to teach you how to join two pieces of yarn for a nice tight join. So you're running out of yarn and you're in the middle of a project and you just need to add your new skein of yarn onto your project. So here's your old piece that's almost gone, and here is your new one. So the first thing you're going to do is take the end, put it underneath the new yarn like that. Then you're going to loop it around like that and under this piece. Then you'll take the end and put it inside the circle and pull. Now you're going to take the other side and you're going to do the exact same thing. So it's going to go underneath this yarn, and then around, and then under here, and then inside that loop. And then pull, and then pull the two ends. And as you can see, it is a very tight knot. It's not going to come undone, and you can cut your yarn really close. And now you can continue on with your project. So I'm going to do that one more time. So here's your yarn, and here's your new piece of yarn. Underneath that piece, around in a circle, underneath itself, and then inside and pull tight. And this end, underneath, around, underneath that side, inside itself, and pull. Now you try, and I'll see you next time.